Hey, good Tuesday afternoon, everyone. Welcome to another balmy February day in Northeast Ohio and Western PA, and wait until you see tomorrow's temperatures. But in the meantime, after a bright and sunny morning, we have had somewhat of an increase in cloudiness this afternoon. These are mostly high, fair weather clouds in both Boardman and in Columbiana. It's just not quite as pristine looking as it was earlier on today, but it sure is warm. We're approaching 50 here at about 2:25 p.m. across all of our Ohio and Pennsylvania counties. Average highs this afternoon will be around 50 to 51 degrees. We should be, or averages that is, at this time of the year around 34 for daytime highs. All right, big time storm system out across the middle of the country. This is producing some snow on the northern side, and of course rain and wind and possibly even severe weather on the southern side of things. We do have actually a tornado watch associated with this down across the mid-Mississippi Valley in the red. So this is more like a spring storm and an enhanced risk of severe weather off to our south. We can't rule out thunder here tonight, but we are not concerned about severe weather here locally, just a little bit of thunder. But as nearby as perhaps Cincinnati, Louisville, and certainly south of there, there could be some pretty big-time storms later on today and into tonight. We will get a lot of rain, it looks like, tonight, especially after midnight. By about 2 or 3 in the morning, it'll be raining. Look at these temperatures, though. With the rain, it'll be in the lower 50s. Steady rain through tomorrow morning. It'll be soggy at the bus stop, soggy as you head off to work in the morning. But then by lunchtime, the steady rain's gone. And look at these temperatures. Lower 60s. Record temperatures tomorrow. The record's only 55 tomorrow. I think we'll blow past that pretty easily. We can shed the rain gear by about midday. Rest of the day fine. In fact, we'll see some afternoon sun. And then the cold air wraps in and temperatures will start to trail off by tomorrow night. Rainfall totals could be up near an inch, especially since things are moving along a little slower than it looked like previously. So a good half an inch to perhaps an inch worth of rain seeming more and more likely out of this. Natural car wash, washing some of the salt off the roads and off your car if you leave it out overnight tonight. Much more on tonight's rain and wind and temperatures and possible thunder, everything you need to know on weather for Weather Geeks this evening. We'll also talk about the coming colder weather, but it'll be followed by nicer weather in time for the weekend, and we still got a pretty good cold shot coming in the longer range, coming up in about 8, 9, 10, 11 days, kind of in that time zone, time frame. We'll be talking about some pretty harsh cold for at least a few days. That's on Weather Geeks this evening. 21 News will be on air and online and on your mobile device this evening at 6 and 11. I'll see you then.